Good morning children and welcome to the online session of English Grammar of class 4. Let us open the book to page number 38. Page number 38. We were on chapter number 12, adjectives, and we have to finish these exercises. Okay. So let us do it. Exercise E. Write in the space provided adjective from the box which is similar in meaning to the one underlined in each sentence. What you have to do? We have to replace these words, underlined words, with a proper word. We have to choose a proper word from this box. Okay? And we have to replace the word. First one, Fatima looks beautiful in that pink dress. Now, beautiful. Do you find any word here that is similar in meaning to this word? Beautiful? Any word? Yes, there it is, pretty. So, write pretty here. Then, second one, we should not be cruel towards animals. Any word that is similar to this word in meaning? Similar in meaning, we have to find. Any word which is similar in meaning? It is unkind. Unkind is same as cruel. Okay, it has the same meaning. So we will write unkind here. Then third one, my aunt shouts when she is annoyed. What is the meaning of annoyed? Can you find any other word that can be replaced with it? Any other word with similar meaning? Annoyed? Here it is, irritated. Irritated means annoyed. Both have the same meaning. Okay, write irritated here. Then fourth number, Maya is a quiet girl. Any word that is similar to this word, similar in meaning, it is timid. Timid means quiet. Okay, so write timid here. Fifth one, I was absent because I was unwell. We have to find the word similar in meaning to this, unwell. It is sick. Unwell means sick. So we should write sick here in this space provided. Then sixth number, the elephant is a huge animal. What is the other word for huge that can be written here? It is given here. We have to find out. What is it? It is big. The meaning of huge is big. Write it down here. Okay. Now, next one. The soldiers were very courageous. Now, courageous, what is the other word for courageous? What is the meaning of courageous? What can be the other word for it? It is brave. Okay, the meaning of courageous is brave. Write it here. Eighth number, the food was very tasty. Now, what is the other word for tasty? Delicious. So, write delicious. Tasty means delicious. Okay. So all these words, children, they are adjectives. We studied about adjectives now in this chapter. So all these words are adjectives. They are describing the noun. Okay. So now let us proceed with the next exercise. F. Find words from the word grid which mean the opposite to the given adjectives. Now in this word grid, children, we have to find out the word that is opposite in meaning. The opposite in meaning, the word that is just the opposite of it. For example, first one is long. What is the opposite of long that can be seen here? Find it out. Short. The opposite of long is short, and I have circled it here. You also do it in your book. Okay. Second one, small. What is the opposite word of small? Large. I have circled it here. You also do it. Okay. Third one, old. What is the opposite word of old? New. I have circled it here. You also do it. Okay. Fourth number, heavy. What is the opposite word of heavy? Light. It is circled here. You also do it in your book in the same way. Okay. Fifth number, poor. What is the opposite word of poor? Rich. I have circled it here. Okay. Now sixth number, present. What is the opposite of present? Absent. Here it is. You circle it in this way. Now Seventh one, sweet. What is the opposite word of sweet? It is bitter. Bitter, it is given here. Okay, you circle it here. Now, what is the opposite of brave? The opposite of brave is coward. C-O-W-A-R-D. You have to circle it in this way. Okay. Now, your homework will be to do these exercises in your copy. In your English 1 copy. Okay. Now, you'll ask me how to do this exercise. What you have to do? You have to write the opposite word. You don't have to draw this grid, children. Okay, you just have to write it in this way. Suppose this is the word long. You have to put a dash and you have to write the opposite word which is given here. What is the opposite word of long? It is given short. So this word you have to write it in your copy in this way, short. Okay, side by side you have to write it. Okay, all right. In the same way you have to do it. First you do this in the book and then in the copy you should be doing it in this way. Okay, the opposite words you should be written side by side. Okay, or make 2 columns and write, one beside the other. All right. Now let us revise. What did we study in this chapter? About adjectives. Okay, so here you can see this girl. What is she saying? I am an adjective and I describe nouns. What is an adjective? Adjective is a word that describes a noun. Adjective is a word which describes a noun. So here, it ends. The chapter adjective ends here. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you face any problem, you can ask for help. I'll help you out. Okay. So we'll meet in the next video, children, with a new chapter, that is articles, a and the. Alright, so be prepared with it. We will begin it in the next video. So till we meet in the next video, you please keep learning, keep doing your homework, keep revising and stay safe. Thank you.